Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got an unbagging for you. And I hope everybody's having a great day, and thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. But we are going to do an unbagging. Now, this comes from Amazon, and it is from the company Tiny Fun. And it comes in this little dust bag that's like a Ziploc, a real long Ziploc. And they are very hard to get out of here. I've had a couple of them that come in this. And y'all, I have no clue how they even get them in here, because they are so hard to get out that I end up ripping. Well, I didn't this one. But usually I end up ripping the corner of the bag. Alright, so this is a poured glue. And like I said, I got it from Amazon. And it comes with a regular toolkit. It's got a white tray with the spout, a blue squishy, a square of wax. It has a single placer pen with the actually good 4-placer. It's the white thin 4-placer, and some baggies. I'd rather have these toolkits as the one with the pink pen and the green boat, but either way, that's all you need to do one of these kits. So this is a round poured glue, like I said, and looks like, yes, it has the DMC numbers on the bag of drills. And I apologize about my lighting. I have got 3 lights on right now. You wouldn't know it, but I sure do. I have my overhead light on, I have a lamp on, and my LED light right here, thinking that it would give us some more light. But I don't understand why this little area right here is always so dark. But anyway, we have got some greens and some white, purple, orange. There is a lot of white. And some red. And it looks like some black. Yeah, some pink and some purple and some gray and some green. Hope y'all can see those. So, the canvas that I got was this one, and it is a 30 by 40, and it says, "Today I will do what I can do, and let that be enough." And I thought that was just a brilliant saying. And it has the thumbnail on the bottom here, and the schematic, and it only has 16 colors. And it does have the DMC numbers listed on the schematic. And up here at the top, it has got the canvas number and the size, which is a 30 by 40. And the company, which is Tiny Fun. And very sticky. But I really liked the saying on it. And I think I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to hang it up. I really do, because it's something that we all need to think about and remember. But y'all, I only gave $2.99 for this, and I thought that was a good price for a true 30 by 40. And like I said, it's from Tiny Fun, from Amazon. And I will put the link and everything in my description box. That way you can, check it out for yourself. I don't know if it's still $2.99. But if it is, y'all, that is a great price, and you should snatch it up. So, and again, I apologize. I know there's a glare from my light right there, and my lighting is so dark. I need to get me a desk lamp. I got a floor lamp, one of them old El Cheapos from Walmart, but it's not doing very good. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is just get me a desk lamp. Maybe that'll be better. Because ever since I moved into this room, I have had such an issue with darkness right here in this area. But, okay, well, that's enough mumbling and rambling on. So, anyway, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and show y'all this canvas. Like I said, I really like the saying, and I think it's a very cute, neat, to the point canvas. I mean, it is what it is. So, alright, y'all. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And anything else you want me to know. Say hi. Whatever. But yeah. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.